Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to allow tags and mentions in your Threads app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Threads app. Now go to your account, press on two lines. Go to privacy. Here you can see tags and mentions. Click on this. Now, if you want to allow tags and mentions in your Threads app, you just have to press here everyone option. That's it. So this is how to allow tags and mentions in your Threads app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.